Just about finished their feed. This cock here, amazing looking pigeon. Got a. Now I love eyes. I'm not one to say that pigeon's got a good eye, it's going to race better. I don't believe in that. I think it's crap, but some people do. But I like some of the pigeons' eyes because they're just pretty. They just look nice. And look at his. I'll try and get you up a bit closer. Favourite birds. Every time I say that, I lose one. Lose the bird I say to it. I hope I don't. Oh, they're getting now. I haven't split them up. I did split them up for a while, but it was too much work. For a child, I just don't have the time. So it's easy to just clean it all at once and get all the birds in at once. That's all right. They're flying well. At first, they just wanted to mate, but they've come good. Flying well. She's a cracker. Now, all these pigeons have been chased by falcons. I had about 102 birds. I got 88 now. I had, like I said, a super bad toss. Had 20 Ks, had 13 birds come home on the drop after 3.5 hours. My pigeons are healthy and super fit. So at 4 o'clock I had another about 30 on the drop. Made a mistake. My mistake, not the birds. Not where I live. Just my mistake. The mistake was not knowing the area, and I should have had cover. Done it for more fancies. I should have got asked where's a good spot around this area to toss. Luckily I had about 10-15 short tosses under them. Shorter tosses than that. Two trays in there as well. They're open, them trays, the steel ones. Have a look. So that's where I showed you that, didn't I? So all the egg can come out from there as well. The pigeon just went down. She's nice too. Looks like an old Australian bird. Distance, doesn't he? Probably is, I don't know. A couple of trays in there, open trays. Yeah, get a lot of information in Australia from Michael Paul Talley, Joe Halligan, still. You know, this loft's quite designed out of Halligan's ideas as well. Not so much the fans, but definitely keeping it small inside, where the birds don't go crazy. You know, you get in there, look, show you. I stand in here, my head is about touching the roof. Now, what that means, birds can't fly over my head. I've got control. They don't panic, they don't carry on. And I don't come in here that much. Look at them. They know they can't get away from when I do come in here. I think that might be Dumbass, I think that is it? No, it's not. I've got a bird named Dumbass. He's certainly not dumb. He looked dumb when he was young, but he's smart. I had a couple of birds fly yesterday. They wouldn't come in. They flew for about, and this is one of them. She's tired. Must have flew for about 6 hours. Oh, hang on, let me see. About 3:30 they come down. So let me. Yeah, 6.5 hours. About 10 of them. One cock and the rest hens. This bird come home on the bad toss. He's still skinny now. I think he was the second last one. It was about 2 weeks after the bad toss. The bad toss I had. And he come home a little bit ripped. I've had a few birds in here. They're ripped. They're coming good. Might be that red or another red was the one that come home on the 3rd week. Last pigeon home from the bad toss. Ray Russells.